Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 10 tips and tricks for beginners on COROS Pace Pro. Okay, we can begin with changing up our current watch face. To do it, we need to hold the down button. Now, using the crown, we need to open up the settings. They should be in here, okay. Then click the crown button to enter. There should be not in here, but under more settings. Go to the upside and click on the watch face. Okay, and now using your crown button, you can select which watch face you want to use. As you can see, currently we don't have many watch face available, but I'll show you how you can change that, because we have a lot of watch faces available to download in our app, but I'll show you that in a second. Let's say we want that one. To confirm it, click the crown button, and now it has been successfully set. Now I'll zoom out a little, so you'll be able to see my phone. Now open up your app. It's the COROS app. You had to download it when you were pairing with your device. Go into profile. In here we have our device. Simply tap on that, and here we have watch faces that we can add. Click on view all, and as you can see, we have a lot of them available. For example, let's try with this one. We can send it to the watch face and we'll be able to set it. So first we need to wait until it's installed, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, it has finished, and now as you take a look, our new watch face has been successfully applied. Okay, now let's go back, because for the second thing we still need to use our device. Let's go back once more, and in here we have the training plan library and also the workout library. In here you can of course set your new training plan. To do it, click on the plus button and you can insert the name, add a description, choose a week and days of the week. If you have created, you can click on save, and that's how you can quickly add your new training plan. Same thing with the workout library. If you have some workouts, you will see them under my workouts. To add a new one, simply click the plus button and you can select the activity type. For example, indoor climbing, bouldering, strength, swim, bike, trail run, and normal run. Okay. And now I'm going to close it up. I'll place it next to me. Let me zoom in once again. Maybe a little bit more. Now I will show you the wellness check feature. To do it, again, hold this button and find this icon. Confirm by clicking the crown, and to measure the heart rate, I'll need to, wear my watch, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, and now it should start measuring my heart rate. Okay, it has started. Okay, so as you can see, that's my current heart rate, and that's the easiest way how you can monitor it. Let's wait until this bar on the bottom gets to the opposite edge. Okay, finished. And in here we can see our results. Okay, I'll close it up for now. Actually, I won't, because we also have the Oximeter that I want to show you. When it comes to other features, we also have the rest heart rate, for example, and that's the oximeter that I would like to show you. So let's tap on that. Okay, altitude performance will be shown at 825 feet plus. You can see in here that it's measuring, so let's wait. Okay, 95%. I don't know, is it good or not, but that's the result. As you roll and spin the crown, you can go to the downside and see the max elevation currently. It's in the feet, and as you go to the downside, you'll see it up in last 24 hours. You go one time more, and it's last 3 days. Okay, for now I will turn it off because we are done with this test. Okay, and now next thing that I want to show you is the always on mode. To enable that, we need to open up our settings. So again, hold the button, find the settings. Alright, click the crown button to confirm. Go into more settings. Go into display. And in here we can enable always on feature. And also if you want, you can change the brightness. To enable that, click on it or use the crown button. And in here you can enable the activity mode and the standby mode, but remember that always on mode consumes more battery than when it's turned off. Okay, let's go down below. In here we have wrist hand selection. We can tap on that. We can select left or right. I don't know who is actually wearing the watch on the right hand, but if you are that kind of person, you can select it right in here. We also have the sound and vibration. We can adjust the tones and vibrations in this mode. We also have the touch screen. Some people like it, some people don't. Currently it's set on always on, but if you want, you can use it only for map and activity data or for map only. And now I will show you. Actually, you can see that the touchscreen is fully responsive currently. But now when I will change it into map and activity data, I cannot move in this menu using the touchscreen. The only way to do it is by using the crown and the button down below. So in my case, currently, I'll stick to always on. Okay, just like that. Let's go back into all of our apps. And what I like is the compass, map, and the navigation apps, and also the pin. Those things are pretty useful. For example, when you are lost, you know where you are supposed to head it. You know the direction. You can open up the compass, and you know you will know where you are heading actually. Using the compass, I'm sure that all of you know how the compass works. Down below we can also see, for example, the attitude. Similar thing, of course, with the map. Currently it doesn't show anything because the satellite is locating me, so that is why it doesn't work. But in your case, when you're outside, everything will be working. Okay. Also, if you need some light, you can always launch the flashlight. You'll find it right in here in those apps. Here it is. Tap on the crown. You can select the brightness level by simply rotating the crown. So that's the max, really bright, as you can see, and that's the minimum value. Alright. And the last thing that I want to show you is how to enable the auto lock. Go into the settings, then more, and the auto lock is right in here. Tap on the crown button. We have the activity mode and the standby mode. If you tap on the crown, you can change it into scroll to unlock, hold to unlock, or you can completely turn it off. When it comes to activity mode, you can also enable scroll to unlock, hold to unlock, or keep it on off. It's up to you, because every person is different and you can like different preset than mine. I will keep it on off. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.